In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to a Wise account. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on paypal.com and I'm currently logged into my account. So once you've done that and you've gone ahead and logged in, if you look at the top, you've got some options, and what you want to do is click onto Wallet. Next, what you're going to want to do is just make sure you've added the currency that you've got for your Wise account. So with Wise, you do get the option to add accounts in different currencies. So I've actually got an account in US dollars. So you can see down here, I've got Great British pounds and US dollars added as a currency. To add a currency, all you need to do is simply click this add a currency link here, and go ahead and choose your currency from the list down here. So you want to make sure it matches the currency for the account you have on Wise. And once that's done, the next step is to come across and link your Wise account. So you want to click onto this button here, which says link a bank. So being in the UK, Wise is not going to appear on the list of banks. This is just literally the banks that are available in the UK. So to actually go ahead and link your Wise account, what you want to do is come up to the search box and type Wise into here. And it's going to come up saying we couldn't find your bank. But what you can do is enter your bank details by clicking this button here. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter your account details for your Wise account, which will be your bank account sort code. And of course, for security reasons, I have blurred this out, and the account number underneath. So once that's done, what's going to happen is PayPal are going to send two small deposit amounts and basically retrieve them as well, and that's just to confirm your account. So what you want to do once you've done that is underneath you're going to see the agree and link button. Go ahead and give that a click. And you'll now see that has found it. It's come up in Wise Payments and it's got the last couple of digits of my account here. So it's going to set up a direct debit with them, and all you want to do is click the blue submit direct debit instruction. What they're now going to do is send the payment amounts, and what you want to do is look out for these deposits from PayPal, because next to the deposit amount is going to be a code that you're going to have to input into PayPal to verify your account. So on this screen, you just want to click the blue request confirmation code button, and what they're going to do, as I say, send some deposits across. So keep an eye on your account with Wise, and once you see those PayPal deposits, there should be a code next to it, which will be 4 digits, and then you can come across to PayPal, confirm your account from here, and then of course transfer money from your PayPal account to your Wise account. So you can see that's actually now in my list of accounts here. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.